Today I will try to turn this picture with foggy weather to something more dramatic using the free Lightroom and Snapseed apps. So first I will start with the Lightroom app. Here I will do some standard tuning and later move to Snapseed for some selective edits. So I will go to the light menu and do some standard tuning here to try to get some details back. First I will decrease the highlights, increase the shadows, then tune the whites with the two finger swipe so that the whites and blacks are not getting clipped. So I'll leave it here. Next I will go to the effects menu. As you can see, there's a lot of fog here. We'll try to remove the fog here, the haze. So there is a dehaze slider here for that. So I'll try to move the dehaze slider to the right. As you can see, it is doing a pretty good job. Actually it is doing really well here, so I will try to move it to the maximum, maybe even 100. And already you can see the fog getting removed. This is the before and after the tuning of the dehaze slider. So next I will go to the color menu and increase the vibrance a bit. So next the mix button, that is the HSL sliders. Here I will tune the greens and the yellows. So greens, the hues of the greens I will move more towards the aqua a little, and the yellows towards oranges. I will also increase the luminance of the yellows. You can see it is affecting the greens also. So here is the before and after in Lightroom. Now I will move to Snapseed for some selective edits. So I will save this and then import the image to Snapseed. So first in Snapseed I will try to darken the overall image and try to make certain parts bright. So I'll go to curves and drag the curve down to make it dark, and go to masking, that is the stacks icon. Tap the stacks icon on the top right, view edits, curves and brush, and the effect applied here, and with the brush value at 0 I'll just remove the effect by tapping around here. So as you can see, this gives the image certain pop. So you can toggle the eye icon here to see where the mask is applied and where it is removed. I'll just tune it further and apply it. So next I will try to create some fog. Actually I will bring back the fog here in the sky and also give color to it. So I'll go to curves again, and here I'll drag the bottom point upward so that it crushes the blacks. So this affects the darkest parts. So I will move up this upwards so that it becomes bright, and I'll try to leave this, drag it and leave this here. Next I will tap the red, select the red color. Again I will add some red color to the shadows. I will just move it up. I will add some yellow also by going to the blue. The opposite of blue is yellow. I will drag the blue curve, the end of the point here towards right. So I'll just apply this. Now using masking, Stacks icon, view edits on the latest curves layer and brush. With the brush value at 100, I will just tap it around here. So you can see we are creating some fog here. As also we have added some color. So here is the before and after. Next I will apply some contrast. It will start tuning the curves here. I'll apply this. Next I will further brighten the sky using the selective filter. Just place it here and selecting dragging the circle, I'll just increase the brightness a bit. Next I will do some dodging using the brush tool. I'll go to the brush tool and with the dodge value brush value at 5, I'll just brush it over the image where I want to brighten it to make certain parts, of the image pop. So you can take your own time, zoom in and just brush it over the parts where you want to make it bright. Maybe around the valley here. And also go back and tune the masking here on the first curves. Finally, I will try to add some more contrast to the image again by going to the curves to make the image further pop. So here is this is edited in Lightroom. After each effect, this is the final edited one in Snapseed. Thanks for watching.